Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. タイの皆さん、こんにちは。
Hello.
なんか言って。今日はどこにいますか？
We are here at SBM event for Hiace and tail lamp or Hiace modified. I'm here with my Valenti president, Mr.
Hey,
Horisa.
say hello everyone. I'm here in SBM. SBM is a very big event all over the highest fans.
This event is for Hiace fan that they modified it. This event is how many years they done?
Maybe
event?
around 16 years.
Oh, 16 years.
Yes, more than 16 years.
What can we see about this event?
Yes. No. Many, yeah, thank you. This tail lamp also.
Oh.
This tail lamp, level 2, right?
Yeah.
Level 2. Hi. Japanese users like Valenti. Yep, this is our headlamp. New
This
headlamp.
Valenti headlamp.
Yes. Everyone changing, modify something, and to come here to show. Oh, this one also. Oh. Also this.
Wow.
Also this. Thank
There are
you.
so
thank
many
you.
Valenti tail
Yes, yeah,
lamps. Yeah,
that is also over there also. Yes, many people using Valenti products. Yeah.
This
Caravan
one.
also.
Caravan also has a Valenti tail
Yeah.
lamp.
Oh. Caravan, yes, Caravan also. Yes. Everyone like Valenti. Thank you. Headlamp. Yes. Yes.
For Nissan, right?
Valenti headlamp.
Caravan.
Yes, Caravan. Yes. This is not. Many people come to see or show
Gather
up
this
his own car
Yeah.
every year. And for example, this car, this year's model, and then next time they want to change in something and to come back again. Yes. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's a
DIY. Yes.
Look at this.
Yes. Great. DIY. Ooh, cool.
Thank you. Valenti.
Oh.
Oh, hello.
Oh. これ今タイの人だから英語で喋ってるんだけど。
日本人。
俺日本人だから。バレンティン日本だから。これモディファイ自分でやったら DIY をしたの。
違います。
ショップで。
こっちがオーナーです。
ああ、ごめんなさい。自分でやったの。どっかのショップで。知り合いが。His friends modified by DIY. Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Good.
So cool.
すごい。これナンバーワンか。
Tail lamp.
Oh, tail lamp. Okay.
Please take a look at the tail lamp.
Okay. Woo. Wow,
It
very
was a
cool.
Valenti.
High style, yeah?
Nice.
Good. いいね。Good. Ooh. ランダムね。ランダム歌う。Good. すごいね。Okay. Today's number one. Good.
Nice car.
これ多分ね、タイでもこの流行らせますから、この改造を。この人はタイのハイエースのショップの一番大きなショップのボスで、多分この人は DIY でこれ真似すると思う。あ、ピクチャーいいですかって。
Picture.
Okay. Thank you. じゃあちょっとタイで流行らせますからこのパターンを。Thank you. ね、タイ語で教えるわ。コップンカープ。コップカー。
I get Simon.
Okay. Like that. Yes. Yeah, many cars gathered. Good.
And this near airport, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Beside, yep, Central Airport. Yep. How many cars? I don't know. I can't count.
There's so many.
I can't count.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow.
Saitama from
Yeah.
Saitama.
Yes.
Kazubon style.
Valenti ね。This is Valenti also. Yep. This is. Yes. Good. This is also.
Evolution.
So many.
This Valenti headlight.
Yes. Many people using. Are there?
Because I think the design, everything.
Maybe they paint by themselves. Paint inside gold. Maybe he opens the range and paint again. Gold. Yes. Our headlamp. Yeah.
Not easy, but really nice.
Very nice.
Very
Yeah.
nice.
Normally this style, black. But he's painted gold. Oh, I found. Fine.
This is our Valenti booth. Let's go and take a look. What are the products?
Hi. Here is the Valenti booth. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. This model is very old, but still popular. Most of Japanese like this style, and next change to this design. Yes. Now function. They has function.
This has sequential function.
Signature function. Yes.
The second product
has-
that they released before.
Yep.
For Valenti Hiace.
Yep.
Tail
Yes. Now we are selling the 5 model of highest tail ramp. 1, 2, 3. I don't know, 4, 5.
That's right. The Revo 2, Revo 3,
I forget.
and the Ultra.
Yes. Ultra has a function. When you enter the curve,
There's an opening and
The
ending
cross.
action for this Ultra.
yeah, and the headlamp also. Headlamp,
Yes.
open the curve. Headlamp, writing, doing the action. And the crossing.
This is also have our opening and ending animation function.
Yeah. And door mirror. Yeah, mirror. Also, he has a day lamp and a winker, sequential
Sequential.
winker. It has. Yes, and the side ramp. Yes, it's a chamber. It's put on in intake side. When you push the axle, air sounds. It's very cool. Yes. And this is new our products. About ramp, change model, buying change something is very few time, but we are doing keep clean, beautiful body. We wanna keep beautiful, and finally we making the shampoo and car coating or etc.
This is our Valenti new products for shampoo and
Coating.
called Gelbo.
Coating.
For coating for the cars.
It's called Gelbo. Yup. This is a fog lamp. これはちょっと説明して、丸川さん。何この辺は。いいよ、日本語でいいよ。ルビちゃんが英語で言うから。
うちの HID
Yes.
から、
うん
LED で
Yes.
するパネルです。
This is our dual LED headlamp from HID to LED lamp.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is
What
for
the-
program, and it can change two colors, yellow and white. Yes. Very very easy to change colors and turn on the lighting, catch, and change to program.
Yellow to white.
Yes. Change the white or yellow. Change. Very easy to change colors.
Why have two color?
People you daily use is white is okay, but sometimes very heavy raining or in Japan snowing and very foggy days, it's dangerous and it changes to what yellow color and people see the road very easily, clearly. Yes, for safety, yes.
See you.
Oh, thank you.
you.
This time, very, very thankful from Thailand. Thank you.
Thank
We
you,
love
guys.
Thailand.
Kapun ka.
ขอบคุณค่ะ